Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Garima Agarwal. In my earlier module, we all have discussed about the estimated products, how we can find estimated products by estimating the numbers. Now, today, we will going to discuss about the simplification, how we have to simplify the expression using BODMAS. So today we will study in the expression where we have used plus, minus, multiplication and division, all the symbols in the same question, how we have to solve that question. So we should move further. I will tell you today how we can solve these types of questions using BODMAS. Before doing any question, you have to remember the four basic operations, and beside four basic operation, B and O. BODMAS, the full form of BODMAS is written here. B stands for brackets. There are usually three types of brackets. O stands for orders, or we can say of. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. In this series, from up to down or top to bottom, we will solve the question. Here you can see the symbols of all the expressions. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction you all know. O stands for of and B is a bracket. Now next, B stands for bracket. There are basically three types of bracket. First one is, you can see at the top, it is round bracket. First we have to solve the round bracket. After solving round bracket, we have to solve curly bracket. Curly bracket is the last bracket. It is drawn at the last. It is curly bracket. And after solving curly bracket, we have to solve the square bracket. Square bracket is in between. So in this order, first we have to solve the curved bracket or round bracket, then curly bracket and then square bracket. O stands for of. Of means multiplication. We give priority to this O after we solve any bracket. After solving the brackets, we will solve the O. O means of, or we can say multiply. Then DMAS. You all know D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S stands for subtraction. So in this series, we solve any question. Now let's see. Here is a question, 1 plus 2 multiply by 5. So, if a student solve 1 plus 2 is 3 and then multiply by 5, the answer is 15. But this is absolutely wrong, because in this question the child has to use DMAS rule. D is division, so we don't have any division here. M is multiplication, so multiplication firstly the child will do. It means 2 multiply by 5 is 10. The correct method, it is written here. First the child will multiply and then the answers will be added. 10 plus 1, 11 is the correct answer. Here you can see the difference between incorrect and correct method. In correct method, we use the expression from DMAS, top to bottom. Okay. Now let's have some more basic examples over here. 6 plus 3 multiply by 5. Again multiply. First we will solve and then we will add. So 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now let's move to examples 2. In example 2 there is round bracket. So first we will solve round bracket. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then after this expression we have to use DMAS. So division first. So 10 divided by 5 is 2 and 2 multiply by 8 is 16. So we have to solve division and then multiplication. 16 plus 3 is 19 and 19 minus 2 is 17. So here is the order of the series which we have to follow. One more example is given to you in example 3. First is 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2 ka whole square divided by 10 minus 10 divided by 5. So here 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 3 square divided by 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 3 square is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. In this way, we have to use these formulas and solve the questions. Here is one question which include all the brackets. So let's see. 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 plus 18 minus 6 divided by 4. You can see round bracket here. 18 minus 6 is written in round bracket. So first we will solve round bracket. 18 minus 6 is 12. Now after solving the round bracket, we have to solve square bracket. In a square bracket, there are minus as well as division. So first we will divide. So 72 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now in a square bracket, 72 minus 2 is left. So 72 minus 2 is 70. 70 plus 12 divided by 4. So here we will write 12 divided by 4. Using DMAS, divide we will do first. 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 70 plus 3 is 73, which is our answer. So using these rules, you can solve the expression on your own. Thank you for watching.